Welcome back to the kkAda Tiger Club Bar. The bar is in session, and we are located in the distillery in Burlington, Washington. This is our YouTube studio here, and we're here today to introduce another recipe at the kkAda Tiger Club Bar, and it's going to be a good one. It's another summertime type drink, one of the most popular in the country, using our Caramel Liqueur. This is just a refreshing drink. A Caramel Coconut Cicker. So, with this drink, we're going to start with iced coffee, and make sure you get a good brand of iced coffee. Please don't get coffee out of your coffee pot. That isn't going to make it here. You're going to need to get a quality iced coffee. Now, there's several other brands. We recommend Starbucks dark roast iced coffee. It's delicious. Also, a quality coconut milk, not coconut water. No water, coconut milk. We prefer the Simple Truth, which you can get. It's a Kroger product. Anyway, absolutely delicious as far as a coconut milk is concerned to make this drink primo. We're gonna make this in a tall tumbler, so get your ice out, fill your tumbler full of ice. The recipe calls for making this with a tall glass of ice and 1 cup of iced coffee and a half a cup of coconut milk, and plus our caramel liqueur. So we don't get real fancy here. I usually just fill this up to about 3/4, in here with the iced coffee. Then I like to add a shot of kkAda, or an ounce. Bartender's ounce, just eyeball it. Put an ounce in there of the good stuff. It's made right here in this building. If you want to add more pop to it, some bars will add some vodka to it, half an ounce, half a shot in there to give it a little more pop. Then the rest of the way we fill with coconut milk. You can see the kind of look you get with it. It's pretty cool. You can serve it that way and then it slowly mixes, or you can go ahead and mix it up by simply giving it a few stirs. This is absolutely delicious. A Caramel Coconut Cicker. A tall glass of ice. Again, sitting in the backyard, sun shining down. Wow, is that good. We want to remind you that you can get kkAda at a lot of the major grocery outlets and things here in the Pacific Northwest and the greater Seattle area. You can get our product at Total Wine and More, Hagen's, Thriftway, many local liquor stores carry it. So, and if your liquor store is not carrying kkAda, the Tiger Stripe bottle with the bright orange top, please ask them to bring it in. Lots and lots of recipes online. If you don't live in the Seattle area and you want to get a bottle of kkAda, you can order it online real simple. We're not real fancy here. We've got the website, just www.kkAda.com, and go in there and click on Buy Now, and you can buy your own bottle. $33 a bottle. We'll ship it right to your doorstep. So it's $33 plus shipping, and you can start enjoying all these recipes that you're watching here on our YouTube channel. And we invite you to join us next time and ask your friends to come and watch. But we serve up the good stuff, and we serve up the best caramel in all the world. Please drink responsibly and be safe. We're going through a tough time right now, especially in the liquor industry, but you know, no bars or restaurants open, but you can enjoy this at home. So go out to your local store and buy a bottle, or order it online. So this session at the Tiger Club Bar is over. Make it a great day, and drink responsibly.